Go.
Hey kids, today we're gonna show you how you make a really cool sound with 2 cups and a spoon. First, we put a hole in the 2 cups.
Show them the hole. What did we use to do that?
We used a knife.
We used a knife. Okay, next what did we do?
And then we put the strings in.
Tied the strings.
Tied the strings.
And then what did we do?
And we tied the spoon.
Okay, show them the spoon. Tied the spoon in the middle. Okay, and then what happens?
We put this up to our ears, and then we do this. And then we hear a really cool sound.
Awesome.
Bye, kids. Hello, kids, and that's our video for today. Bye.